The muscle attachments of the hip bone on the anterior superior iliac spine, it shows the origin of the sartorius muscle. Where on the posterior superior iliac spine, it shows the origin of piriformis muscle. On the outer lip of the iliac crest, in front of the tubercle, it shows the origin of tensor fasciae lata, and behind the highest point of the iliac crest, it shows the origin of the latissimus dorsi muscle. On the outer lip, in the anterior 2/3 part, it shows the insertion of external oblique muscle, and on the inner intermediate area, on the anterior 2/3 part, it shows the origin of internal oblique muscle. On the inner lip, anterior 2/3 part, it shows origin of transverse abdominis muscle, and the posterior 1/3 part, it shows origin of quadratus lumborum muscle. Behind the posterior gluteal line, it shows the origin of the gluteus maximus muscle. In between anterior gluteal line and the posterior gluteal line, there is origin of gluteus medius muscle. In between anterior gluteal line and the inferior gluteal line, there is origin of gluteus minimus muscle. On the inner surface, in the concave fossa, iliac fossa, it shows origin of iliacus muscle. On the pubic tubercle, there is origin of ascending loop of cremaster muscle. On the medial part of the pubic crest, it shows origin of medial head of rectus abdominis muscle. On the lateral part of the pubic crest, it shows the origin of lateral head of rectus abdominis muscle. On the pectineal line, there is origin of pectineus muscle and insertion of psoas major muscle. On the anterior surface, it shows origin of obturator externus muscle, gracialis muscle, and adductor longus and adductor brevis muscle. On the ischial spine, it shows the origin of levator ani muscle. On the lesser-sciatic notch, it shows the origin of superior and the inferior gamma. On the ischial tuberosity, there is origin of semimembranosus, semitendinosus, long head of biciformis, and obturator and adductor magnus. On the femoral surface, there is origin of obturator external muscle. On the ischiopubic conjoint, on the outer surface, there is origin of obturator externus muscle, gracialis, and adductor brevis and magnus muscle. On the inner surface of the conjoint ischiopubic rami, there is origin of deep transversus perineum muscle and the obturator internus muscle. Thank you.